Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to order and activate Bybit Card. First thing I want you to do is just go ahead and launch the Bybit app, and then all you need to do is just come to the bottom right, tap on Assets, and then here you'll see Card Apply. Now if you don't see this, it's not available in your region, and if you do see it, just go ahead and click on it, and then here you'll see all the details for the Bybit Card, the benefits as well. You just come here, tap on Activate Card, and then you choose your country of residence. Okay, so we'll come here, we'll choose our country, pick whatever one you want. I'll stick with Nigeria. I'll click on confirm. Now, depending on your region, you can go for the virtual card or the physical card, right? So here they're doing an eligibility check. So we need to do an identity verification. So click here on verify, and then you verify identity. You can either use an ID card, a passport, a driver's license, or residence permit to verify yourself. Just click here on continue. And then you need to make sure to take photos, clear photos of your identification document. Make sure there's no glare, make sure there's no blur, and it's not over cropped. Click here on continue, and then just go ahead and take the photos, both front and back. Then they'll receive your document, and after that they'll process your data. Usually takes a few seconds to a few minutes, and then you'll see, there you go, congratulations, your verification was successful, you have been verified. Now we can come back here and then just go ahead and activate our card and just wait. As you can see, it has been verified. Tap on next. Then you need to enter information about yourself. Set your residential address right here. All of these details, you need to fill this in, and it'll ask you for some additional information. For example, we'll use Bybit for your employment status, your source of income as well, right? There you go. How much you're actually earning, your annual income. Then tap here on next. And then you just go ahead and confirm your mobile number, you add that, confirm your email, and then agree to the terms and hit submit. And then your application will be under review. And then you just wait for a few seconds, up to a few minutes. It should go ahead and get approved. As you can see, application successful. Really that easy. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash that like button, subscribe to App Mentor.